everyone, I'm Lily. I'm 7. Today I'm going to read a story. The title of this story is Parrots. Special birds. The word and parrots are almost pretty birds. Many parrots are beautiful with bright feathers in one or more bold colors. Be green, blue, yellow, red, or a mix of many colors. They can also be black, white, or gray. They can even be pink. Smart birds. Parrots are super smart. Like humans, apes, and dolphins, parrot brains make up a part of their body. Large brains give parrots the ability to learn, remember, and reason. Scientists have studied some parrots that are as smart as children in kindergarten. Talking birds. What parrot can be best known for, however, is their ability to learn and mimic sound. Many parrots can repeat word or sound they hear. Some parrots can even speak using hundreds of different words. African gray parrots are famous for their speaking ability. Some African greys can tell a joke, count, and correct name, shape, and color. And some of them can even speak in more than one language. What makes a parrot a parrot? There are more than 350 different kinds of parrots. The three main groups of parrots are true parrots, cockatoos, and New Zealand parrots. Although parrots come in many different shapes and sizes, they are all alike in some ways. Parrot beaks. Almost a parrot has large curved bill with a pointed upper half and a short, strong lower half. Parrots are sometimes called hook-billed because their upper bills are shaped like hooks. Parrot toes. All parrots have 4 toes on each foot, with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward. They use their feet for climbing, cleaning their head and feet, and grabbing and holding objects. They are the only bird that hold their food in one foot while they eat it. Parrot head. Parrots have a large round head with eyes on the side. Most have circles of skin around their eyes, where there are no feathers. Some parrots can have a crest, a crown of feathers on top of their head. Cockatoos can raise and lower their feathers on their crest. They use their crest to communicate with other birds and to scare away predators. What parrot eats? Parrots eat fruits, nuts, seeds, flowers, and other plants. Parts. Some also eat insects, other small creatures. A few kinds of parrots feed on nectar, a sugary liquid made by flowering plants. These parrots have special tongues that helps them get nectar from flowers. Where parrots live. Most parrots live in warm rainforests in tropical, subtropical areas, Central America, South America, and the islands in and around Australia have the greatest variety of parrots. Only a few kinds of parrots build nests. Most parrots live in hollow spaces that grow naturally in the tree trunk. Some dig holes in cliff banks of the ground. Parrots are popular. Parrots are the rock star of the bird world. Their beauty, intelligence, and playfulness have made them popular with people everywhere. Parrots are different from other birds because parrots can use their feet to talk, eat, see, climb, dig grass. I should see. What is the book mostly about? Parrots live all over the world in tropical areas called rainforests. These parrots are popular birds because they are beautiful and intelligent. See, parrots like to eat fruit, nuts, and other plants. These parrots have large curved bills shaped like holes. I should be. Many parrots can learn and word or sound. I type BC C mimic the smell. I should see. What is the main idea of the section of the book titled Pretty Bird? Parrots are beautiful with bold, bright feathers. Many parrots can be green, blue, yellow, or red. See, parrot can be many different colors, including pink. See, some parrots are black, white, or gray. Which part of the following is not a characteristic of most parrots? The ability to learn sound, be foretold on each foot, be a large curved bills, D live in the desert, D. Which word means a showy group of feathers on an animal head? A. Fur, B. Coat, C. Crest, D. Ruffle, C. What do parrot and squirrel have in common? A. They both live in hollow spaces in trees. B. They both are smart and have large brains. C. They both can repeat sounds that they hear. D. They both have very sharp beaks. What is the other purpose for writing this book? A. To teach the reader what to do if they own a parrot. B. To show readers how to take care of parrots. B. C. To persuade reader to buy a parrot. D. To inform reader about how parrots live. C. What allows a parrot to crack open nuts? B. A bright feather. A. A bright feather. B. A strong beak. C. Long neck. D. Large brain. I should be parrots that are not cared for properly would become unhappy, be loud, C. Sad, D. Tired. I should see.
Great job. You passed. Click on the items with the red X and find a better answer to improve your score and earn more stars. Use the book as you take the quiz to help you find the best answer. When finished, click Done.
I got 9 or 10 correct. The end. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.